Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best blueberry pie filling is probably one of the most versatile and delicious ingredients you can have in your pantry, perfect for whipping up a quick dessert or adding a burst of fruity flavor to your morning pancakes, waffles, or even yogurt, offering a delightful taste of summer with every spoonful and transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary treats with its rich, sweet, and slightly tart blueberry goodness that's sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. Number 5. Native Pet Organic Pumpkin Powder for Dogs. Is your dog experiencing loose stools or digestive issues? Our organic pumpkin powder is specially formulated to promote firm stools and support digestive regularity. Keep this convenient powder on hand for those times your pup has an upset stomach or irregular digestion. It's the perfect solution for on-the-go digestive support. This powder is designed to support nutrient absorption and overall bowel health. It's a great daily addition to your dog's diet for optimal digestive function. Made with just 3 USDA organic ingredients, pumpkin, pumpkin seed, and apple, it contains no unnecessary fillers. Just pure, natural goodness for your dog. Unlike canned pumpkin, our powder has a longer shelf life, so you won't waste any. Simply scoop, mix, and serve for an easy digestive aid. This formula was crafted with a vet-developed ratio of soluble and insoluble fiber. It's specifically balanced to ensure firm stools and support digestive regularity. Our product is USDA organic certified and proudly made in the USA with 100% organic whole food ingredients. You can trust the quality and purity for your furry friend. What we like? If your dog struggles with loose stools or digestive upset, this is the perfect solution. Its vet-developed formula with organic pumpkin promotes firm stools and supports overall digestive regularity. You should choose this if you're looking for a reliable, natural way to keep your furry friend's tummy happy and healthy. What people say. This blueberry pie filling is incredibly easy to use, saving me a lot of time when I'm in a hurry. The texture of the filling is perfect, not too runny and not too thick, with plenty of whole blueberries. Number 4. David High Protein Bars, Blueberry Pie. Meet your new favorite high-protein snack. It's designed to help you power through your day without the sugar crash. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with zero sugar and low carbs. It's the smart choice for your healthy lifestyle. Get a serious protein boost with 28 grams per bar. It's perfect for muscle recovery and keeping you full. Satisfy your cravings without derailing your diet. Each bar is a delicious treat at just 150 calories. We've made sure it's gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy this tasty snack. It's pure, simple goodness. Grab one anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect companion for your busy schedule, ensuring you always have a healthy option. Indulge in the delightful taste of blueberry pie. It's a flavor that will keep you coming back for more. What we like? For those seeking a guilt-free, on-the-go snack, this bar is an excellent choice. With a massive 28 g of protein and 0 g of sugar, it's ideal for fitness enthusiasts or anyone needing a satisfying boost without the sugar crash. If you love the taste of blueberry pie but want a healthier option, this bar delivers. What people say. The pie filling is made with real blueberries and has a great taste. It's easy to use and makes a delicious blueberry pie. The consistency of the filling is perfect for pies, not too runny and not too thick. Number 3. Pie Style, DIY Pie Designs and Fillings. Ever dreamed of creating beautiful, delicious pies right in your own kitchen? Now you can with Pie Style. We bring the bakery to you. Explore a world of breathtaking pie designs that will impress everyone. Our tools and guides make intricate patterns simple to achieve. Get ready for compliments. Beyond the crust, discover a universe of mouth-watering fillings. From classic fruit to decadent chocolate, we'll show you how to create perfect flavor combinations every time. Why settle for store-bought when you can craft masterpieces at home? Pie Style empowers you to bake pies that look as good as they taste. It's time to elevate your baking game. With Pie Style, you have everything you need to create stunning designs and flavorful fillings. Start your delicious journey today. What we like? If you enjoy baking and want to create your own stunning pies from scratch, this is for you. It offers the flexibility to experiment with beautiful designs and delicious fillings tailored to your taste. Choose this if you're a home baker looking to impress with homemade creations. What people say. This blueberry pie filling is a great base for pies. It has a good amount of blueberries and is not too sweet. The filling is thick and holds its shape well when baked. Number 2. Lucky Leaf Premium Blueberry Pie Filling and Topping. Introducing Lucky Leaf's Premium Blueberry Pie Filling and Topping. Made with real blueberries for an authentic taste. This versatile filling is perfect for pies, cheesecakes, or as a topping for ice cream. Enjoy its rich flavor in countless desserts. Get a convenient pack of 421 ounces cans, ensuring you have enough for all your baking needs. Stock up and never run out of your favorite topping. We use only the finest real blueberries to create this delicious filling. Experience the natural sweetness and vibrant color in every bite. Simply open a can and pour it into your pie crust or over your favorite dessert. It's ready to use straight from the can, saving you time and effort. Elevate your holiday baking or add a special touch to any weeknight dessert. This blueberry filling is sure to impress your family and friends. What we like. For quick and easy dessert solutions, this can filling is a lifesaver. It provides a premium blueberry flavor that's perfect for topping pies, cheesecakes, or even ice cream. If you need a convenient way to add a burst of blueberry goodness to your desserts without the fuss of making filling from scratch, this pack is ideal. What people say. This pie filling is incredibly easy to use, saving a lot of time when preparing desserts. The texture of the blueberry filling is perfect, not too runny and not too thick, making it ideal for pies and tarts. It contains real blueberries, providing an authentic and delicious flavor that is hard to replicate. Number 1. Duncan Hines Blueberry Pie Filling and Topping. Enjoy the sweet and tangy taste of fresh blueberries in this convenient pie filling. It's perfect for creating delicious homemade pies. Elevate your desserts with this versatile blueberry topping. It's ideal for pies, cheesecakes, or even as a topping for ice cream. Get more value with this pack of 421 ounces cans. You'll have plenty on hand for all your baking needs. Made with quality ingredients, this filling and topping ensures a delightful taste every time. It brings the homemade goodness you love. Whether it's a holiday gathering or a weeknight treat, this blueberry filling is a crowd pleaser. It makes baking simple and delicious. What we like. When you need a reliable and easy way to make a delicious blueberry pie, this canned filling is a go-to. It offers a consistent blueberry flavor and simplifies the baking process significantly. You should consider this if you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly option to create classic blueberry pies at home. What people say. This is the best blueberry pie filling I have ever used. It is full of blueberries and has the perfect amount of sweetness. I love that this pie filling is made with real blueberries and not artificial flavoring. It tastes so fresh and delicious. The consistency of this blueberry pie filling is perfect for pies. It is thick enough to hold its shape but not too thick that it is difficult to spread. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.